Good afternoon and welcome aboard. Please remain seated, keeping your hands and arms, legs and feet inside the boat at all times, and please keep an eye on our little ones. We don't want them to float away. We're about to be swallowed by Monstro the whale, the very whale that swallowed Pinocchio. But don't be alarmed. He's just our portal into the land of Storybook.
How deep is the water?
Oh, pretty deep, above my head.
We begin with the cave of the Big Bad Wolf on our left-hand side. He's always chasing those three little pigs. Fortunately, they live across the way in the house of straw, the house of sticks, and the house of 100% wolf-proof brick. And we continue on our left-hand side in the quiet English village where Alice chased the white rabbit and fell down the rabbit hole into Wonderland.
Strings of violets all into
On our right-hand side is the park where Peter Pan, along with Tinkerbell, taught Wendy, John, and Michael Darling how to fly on to Neverland. And straight ahead is the town of Agrabah, the city of wonder and mystery, where Aladdin stole an apple and then stole Princess Jasmine's heart. They also went on a magic carpet ride over, sideways, and under these very arches, and discovered a whole new world of adventure. We're about to enter the Cave of Wonders, where it is told there is a magic lamp. If we rub the lamp, a genie will appear and grant us 3 wishes. What should our wishes be today? Another day in Disneyland? Some popcorn? Maybe a soda? On our right-hand side is the quaint cottage of the 7 dwarves, where Snow White took refuge after escaping the evil queen. And on our left-hand side is the quaint cottage with a big roof. Is where Cinderella lives. Her fairy godmother helped her get to the ball, but unfortunately she left a little late, and her carriage turned back into a pumpkin, which is still on the bridge just below the temple.
It's up there.
On our left-hand side, there's a patchwork quilt of plants inspired by the 1933 Silly Pixie cartoon Lullaby Band. Now you might be wondering, how do we keep all of our plants so small here? Well, every night our chief gardener comes in and gives Tinkerbell to sprinkle fairy dust on all of the plants, keeping them small and young forever, just like the last one. Up ahead is Toad Hall, the home of J. Thaddeus Toad Esquire, who along with his 2 friends, Mole and Rat, have been on many an adventure. Unfortunately, we can't stop today because we are merrily on our way to nowhere in particular. Next is Arendelle, where Elsa and Anna learn that the power of love and deeply put in could overcome any problem. And straight ahead is the Meadows Alpine Village, where he wished upon a star, and the blue fairy granted him his wish of a real boy. And speaking of wishes, Ariel wished to become human so she could walk on land and find her true love, Prince Eric. They met and now live happily ever after in this castle by the sea. That's going to complete our first today. Please remember to stay seated, your hands and arms and fingers inside the boat. Once we reach the dock, I will assist you in exiting, so again, please remain seated. And for those of us here at Storybook Land, we thank you and hope you have a great rest of your stay here at Disneyland.